Amazing Jazz is started. We have Don Albertini. Break quickly restart. Malaya in between horses. Showtime is on the outside. The next online is Hugo Boss. We have Don Albertini by about 3/4 length lead. Malaya is right behind in second. Showtime is racing in third. And a long way back to Hugo Boss, who's racing in last. We have Don Albertini by about half length. Malaya now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Showtime remains in third and a long way back to Hugo Boss, who's racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Malaya. It says it's my turn to take the lead. Shuffle back in second is Don Albertini. Showtime now trying to get closer in third and a long way back to Hugo Boss. Malaya. Showtime is on the outside, but it's still Malaya. Showtime now moving up on the outside to take the lead. We have Showtime over Malaya. Entering the finish line, 2016 Pilracom Grand Sprint Championship belongs to Showtime. Malaya, Don Albertini.
Okay. We have an upset and